love that changes everything. 1 John 4:7-19. Family, let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to love but found it hard? To forgive someone who hurt you? To be patient when you're tired? To care when you feel empty inside? Here's the truth. The problem is not that you don't want to love. The problem is that you are trying to love without the source of love. The Bible says God is love. Not God has love, not God shows love, but God is love. Which means this: if you are disconnected from God, you are disconnected from real love. But here's the good news. God didn't wait for you to love Him first. He sent Jesus Christ, not when you were perfect, not when you had your life together, but when you were broken. That's love. Friends, love is not a feeling. Love is a sacrifice. And the cross proves it. Now listen carefully. The Bible says, if God so loved us, we ought also to love one another. In other words, if God's love is in you, it will flow through you. You can't hold onto hatred and say you know God. You can't say bitterness and claim His Spirit lives in you. Because when God lives in you, forgiveness becomes possible. Kindness becomes natural. Love becomes your identity. And here's the most powerful part. Perfect love casts out fear. See, some of us are afraid of God, afraid of judgment, afraid we are not good enough. But when you understand His love, fear disappears. Peace comes in, and you stand before God, not as a stranger, but as His child. So here's the question. Are you trying to produce love, or are you connected to the one who is love? Because when you connect to Him, you don't force love. Love flows. God bless.